Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today's going to be a meatless meal idea. I'm going to be making curry chickpeas and I'm going to be adding onions and garlic and herbs and spices, and it's going to be delicious. We'll have this with a side of veggies and maybe some quinoa. So I try to make at least one meal during the week meatless, and I find that if I season the chickpeas or the lentils the same way that I do meat, that my kids really love it. So stay tuned for my curry chickpeas recipe. I'm starting off with about 1/4 of an onion, and I'm using red onions, but yellow or white onions are fine as well. 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and a small piece of ginger, about a teaspoonful, that I've peeled, washed, and finely chopped. Now I'm cutting up 1 green onion. I love cooking with green onions because I find that although they have a milder taste than regular onions, they still provide a great flavor to dishes. I've heated my saucepan on medium heat, and I'm adding some olive oil, and then I'm adding the onions and garlic for now, leaving the ginger for later. I'm going to let this cook for just a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding the ginger, 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, and then stirring to mix everything together, and then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. And now it's time to add 1 can of chickpeas that has been drained and washed. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I'm adding 3 teaspoons of salt, and I'm using pink Himalayan salt, a pinch of black pepper, and about 1 tablespoon of cumin. After I've mixed everything together, I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. And the chickpeas are done. This would go really well with some rice or naan bread, but tonight we're having it with some sweet potatoes and zucchini for a lower carb option. So there you have it, a meatless meal idea that I'm sure that the whole family will love. So if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like my meal ideas, please click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.